Tired of juggling receipts and losing track of who paid for what? Want to streamline your team's expenses and avoid those awkward who owes who conversations? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Expensify and exploring the art of assigning cards, the secret weapon for effortless expense tracking. Let's face it, keeping track of who used which company card can be a nightmare. But fear not, Expensify has a nifty feature that simplifies this whole process. It's called card assignments, and it's about to become your new best friend. First things first, let's head over to the cards section. Here, you'll find all the company cards linked to your Expensify account. Now, let's say you want to assign a specific card to a particular team member or department. It's incredibly easy. Simply select the card you want to assign and click on the Assign button. You can then choose to assign it to an individual employee, a specific team, or even an entire department. Expensify will automatically track all expenses made using that card and attribute them to the designated assignee. This not only simplifies expense reporting, but also makes it incredibly easy to track spending across different teams and departments. You can easily see how much each team is spending, identify any potential budget overages, and gain valuable insights into your company's overall spending habits. Expensify's reporting features are incredibly powerful. With card assignments in place, you can generate detailed reports on spending by card, by team, and by individual. These reports provide valuable data for budgeting, forecasting, and identifying areas for potential cost savings. By assigning cards effectively, you can reduce manual data entry, say goodbye to tedious data entry and manual reconciliation. Improve accuracy, minimize errors, and ensure that expenses are attributed to the correct individuals or teams. Streamline reimbursements, automate reimbursements, and ensure that employees are paid back promptly. Gain valuable insights, track spending trends, identify areas for cost optimization, and make data-driven decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy expensing.